Hello everyone. We are looking at chapter vectors from phase 7 and we are at exercise 2, question number 6. Yes, question number 6. So let's look at the question. Question is a plus b is orthogonal to b and b plus 2b is orthogonal to a, and then we have to find the relation between mod of a and b. Okay, so orthogonal, it is perpendicular. The moment something is orthogonal to something, we can either take cross product, or better is also if we take dot is 0. If a plus b is orthogonal to b, that implies a plus b. If you dot it with b, we should get 0 because angle between them is 90 degree. And a plus 2b again is orthogonal to a. So let's dot it with a. And this should also be 0. If we dot it with now this, here we can use the property of dot product. Dot product gets distributed over addition. So from here, a dot b plus b dot b is nothing but b squared. So this is a dot b. So a dot b, and just let's simply write it like this, b square. And this is a dot a. So a square plus 2 times a dot b. So they are all vectors and this is equal to 0. Now from these two, we can just eliminate a dot b. So a dot b is minus b square. This becomes a square minus 2. B square is equal to 0. That means a square is equal to 2 times b square. And I have just written square. It is actually mod. So a is equal to root 2. A is equal to a mods is equal to 2b square. And mods are always positive. So this is equal to root 2b. So here we have a as the answer. Thank you.